at default. But when she transformed, oof.
Would I ever hook up with an anime vampire? That's the question.
Hell fucking yeah. I'll be a blood bank. Hell yeah.
Nah.
Hell yeah. I'll be like, yo, turn me into one, mommy. I'll be immortal.
You a freak.
Hell yeah.
You a freak. Stupid. Okay, Bad, be honest with me. Would you hook up with an anime vampire?
Yes! Hell yes! No doubt about it. There's no doubt in my mind. I would 100% do that. I would die to do that.
You can't die, bro. You're a vampire.
Jesus! Jeez, Bad, relax.
Jesus, the thirst went to 100 to 1,000.
Oh my god, I'm lightheaded.
See,
That
wouldn't
reaction.
you?
I don't know. I'm not into that. I don't.
You're not, bro. They're literally the same as regular women, except that they're vampires.
You can suck on anything except the blood out of my body. No, thank you.
Why not? Some people are into that. I mean, if you're not, but
I'm not into that.
but what if it
All right, well, I got you with the next one. Once the vampire discussion's over.
We're not even. This isn't even the vampire one. We're like way past that one. We're like this is the vampire one.
Hell yeah. Hell yeah. She's a hell yeah.